So artificial intelligence is still in many cases very dumb. And I think that you asked, is it good or is it bad or is it going to help us or is it going to hurt us? The answer is probably both. And we should be trying to maximize as much of the good and minimize as much of the bad. Let me give you a very concrete example. So two artificial intelligence headlines that I've read in just the last week is one, researchers used AI to identify a new cancer drug pathway that nobody had ever come up with, and they're actually starting to see some evidence that that could be a credible and a promising way to treat certain types of cancer. So that's great. That's what we want artificial intelligence to do, is to unlock new therapeutics so that people can live longer, healthier lives. At the same time, I saw an announcement, I think it was from Sam Altman of OpenAI, who said that basically they're going to start using AI to introduce erotica and porn and things like that. And if AI is helping us find new cures for new diseases, that's great. If it's helping us come up with increasingly weird porn, that's bad.